Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my newly established YouTube channel. Today video is a DIY do-it-yourself coffee station. You can save a lot of money by doing it yourself. And I've had one for years. And how it all started was that I would go frequent these particular coffee shops, these two different names, but I'm not going to give their names out. But anyway, I went into one particularly and I ordered I asked what kind of sugar-free syrups do you have? Yeah, me and my faithful little ride-or-die friend here. I have two ride-or-die friends here. So anyway, she said, well, we only have French vanilla. And I said, oh, wow. You know, the world is not diabetic friendly. I'm a type 1 diabetic. You do what's best for you. I'm not giving you any advice because we're totally different. But it irks me when type 2s like to compare themselves to type 1. That really kind of irritates me. Yeah, so no, I'm not your type 2. I'm type 1. It's a totally different situation. Your pancreas can still work. And so anyway, forget about that right now. But back to the coffee syrup station. So what had happened was that I was like, oh, they're using regular coffee. They're using regular coffee. It's these syrups that they're using. And so what I did was that I asked the young lady, yes. I learned the ways to go around, to figure out or get something, information. So I said, oh, what kind of syrup is you using? Because I would like to know the ingredients. Really. But she believed it, so I'm moving on. So anyway, she brought out this. Torani. Torani. This is sugar-free brown sugar cinnamon. If you like this certain chain that has this coffee, this like a cinnamon brulee, all it is that the coffee, the cinnamon and brown sugar. And so anyway, I went home and I Googled it and I found Torani's site. So ever since then, I have been ordering my own coffee syrups. And some of them don't come sugar-free, but the ones that are sugar-free have no calories and no carbs. Now, the ones, I do have some flavors that I do like, that they just don't come in sugar-free, but when you're a diabetic, the key to it, you got to count those carbs. You got to know how to count your carbs. So, hold on one second, and I will show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. Here is my butter pecan. You see, it's not sugar-free. But I look on the back, and as you can see, there it's really, really good. And it has total carbs. For my 2 tablespoons, it's 20 carbs. Now, I do have to incorporate that into my carb count, for my whatever. But I'm not a breakfast person. I love my coffee though. And so I have my sugar-free cinnamon sugar. I have my butter pecan. Remember, sugar-frees have no carbs, and I don't have any sugars, no calories. And I have my butter pecan. I have my sugar-free s'mores. I have my sugar-free pumpkin pie, gingerbread. These are my holiday favorites. I'm almost done with those. I have my sugar-free caramel, macadamia nuts. I have my buttered rum, my white chocolate. And see, I know what 2 tablespoons is, but my vanilla, I prefer the regular vanilla in opposed to the French vanilla. And I have my coconut, love my coconut. And so these are all my little syrups. And this is, and I have my sugar-free caramel, because I got to have my whipped cream. When I say all the way, I really mean all the way. I bought this I'm going to throw it away. I don't like it. It has a really alcohol type bitter taste to it. And I cook with a lot of Splenda, but I don't know if it's because of the brand, but I ain't putting, I got to throw this out because I just recently bought it and I thought, well, you know, they didn't have the Hershey's or the smoker. So I said, well, let me try this. No. Then I bought these. Walmart started selling these around the Christmas season. Well, they started really in October. So I bought these. Like I said, I have to look at everything. And I can get 1 teaspoon, but I never do a whole teaspoon because I don't want that kind of, I don't want that much on here. So they're like little sprinklers. And they had a coffee to match too, as you'll see. And I have my straws, I have my Splenda, and my matcha powder. I use that to make my green tea frappes. And I'll do a frappe video because I have a frappe station too. And like I said, I like my coffee, so I get these. I mainly use these when I'm leaving the house. I don't use them when I'm just at home. I don't use them, but I get these at Sam's, and I'm going back and get me another one because they're like Christmassy looking. They're what do you call it? They're marking them down, and this is my trusted little. My husband had bought me a Hamilton Beach coffee machine that has the carafe and this K-cup thing, and I just removed it around October, and I boxed it up and put it in the garage. And so I had this when we gonna go drive down to vacation to see my lovely son and my beautiful daughter-in-law. I throw this because sometimes I don't curious. Water doesn't get hot enough for me, and my Hamilton Beach water hot. But this little thing, $20. Oh my goodness, I've had it for now 2 years. But it's like a pick up and go type thing. But now I just have it out every day, and so I'm now going to show you my coffees. I love my coffees. Something that I really, I have to have my coffee in the morning. There's no functioning right then and there until I get it. And it's so soothing. It's so soothing. Here are my coffees. Butter rum, I love that one. Butterscotch, I love anything butterscotch. This is one of my favorites. These are Target brands, but they're really good. I found it. And most of my K-cups, I order them from Amazon because you can't really get these in the stores. Vanilla bourbon, I liked it. I got you see my Girl Scout flavors of my favorite cookies. And I have my tea because I do like me a little tea. But my daughter this is her favorite tea. So I always try to keep that for her. Let's see, vanilla, waffle cone. I have my strawberries and chocolate. My pecan praline. I have my vanilla biscotti by Folgers. Caramel drizzle by Folgers. They're really good too. This is my Green Mountain. It's like a s'more, so it goes really good with that s'mores flavor. My pumpkin spice by Dunkin'. Dunkin' coffee is so good. It is really good. Matter of fact, it really tastes better than the ones you get at home. You know, this is I really love this. Mac Cafe. I buy the decaf Mac Cafe and just add my syrup because at times at night, sometimes I want I want coffee. And this is my vanilla macadamia nut. These are my teas. These are my favorite teas, lemon zinger and cinnamon apple spice. And as I go down, I have my, they don't sell these anymore. When I got these back in the fall, I wonder if they were phasing them out because now you just really can't find. It was so hard to get this one box. So then I have my guys. Again, please forgive me. I have a cognitive to this order. Sometimes I get these episodes. I can see it. It's just not clicking. Butter toffee. And then I have my raspberry chocolate lava. I like this too. Have my red velvet cupcake, my butter pecan, and I love anything blueberry. I love my blueberry coffee, Because sometimes I would, when I used to be able to eat muffins, I used to always want to have me a blueberry muffin or a blueberry scone. It's this scone company. You can buy them in the store. I love their scones. Not scones. I'm so sorry. Not scones. What are those things called? Biscottis. And Cinnabon. I like that cinnamon roll coffee for my daughter. This is my daughter's favorite. And as you see, I got my Snickers, my Twix flavors, and they can go with my sprinkles. Now, these flavors, these coffee flavors are really good. I add vanilla flavor to coffees that I add a vanilla to a lot of the coffees that I don't have, like the matching flavor. I tried that blueberry syrup. That's really for lemonade tea, not for coffee. But this one, I add, they used to have a Tyranny chocolate mint, but they discontinued. And these are my cappuccinos. For this be a great value. It's a really, really, really good. I have that. I like the pumpkin spice. My daughter loves anything pumpkin. We're pumpkin heads during this time of year. And I have my what's this one? Mocha macchiato. This is a favorite. I add caramel syrup to this. Now these are not sugar free, so when I use one of these, I look at the carbs. It's 10 carbs, so I know this is 10, and I don't use more than 1 cup, cake cup, or whatever you want to call it. And I have my trusted cocos. I love my cocos. I have my cocos. These are not sugar free, but like I said, I read everything. So I see my carbs. This is 26. That's it's like a piece of part of my meal. But I'm not a breakfast person. I can get me a yogurt tube or anything. I can't swallow a lot of stuff anyway. But I'm getting ready to fix my little trusted coffee, and I will show you. So this is what I do. This is a every morning thing for me. So I have my coffee. I use these cups here when I'm at home. I only use my Jeanette's to goes, like I said, when I go out. So I already added my half and half. No, I don't like fat-free half and half. To me, it's just all watered down. So I already have my Splenda. I put a little Splenda. But let me show you. You got something. This, I buy these bags. They come in a 20-pack. Like $13, but not in a grocery store. You have to go to a wholesale club, but not all wholesale clubs carry them. But anyway, these things are sweeter than this. You can put 3 or 4 of these in your cup, and you'll end up heaping teaspoons in the same freaking cup. The same cup. So I do use both. And I feel like tearing open a bunch of these because I buy a box of 2,000. So I don't feel like doing all that. I just spoon it out of my little bowl. So now I got my coffee cup ready. Move out the way, Dusty Wussy. Move out the way, Wiggy Wiggy. My dog, I give him whipped cream. That's his puppuccino. And I put my whipped cream on here. No, I do not buy sugar-free whipped cream because of the fat. There's only 1 carb, and I don't have to count this unless I get 12 tablespoons. And I don't know, who needs 12 tablespoons of whipped cream? And dealing with these syrups, you have to shake them. Because if you don't shake them or bang them, you'll get this, you won't get caramel. You'll get just some brown liquid. So, and I don't use a whole lot. Okay, that's good. And I have my trusted straw because I do not want coffee teeth. And there it is. You can do this at home. It may seem like a lot, but you save so much money. It's very convenient. And you get what you want to drink. You don't have to worry about going anywhere looking at menus. You can do this at home. Thank you guys for tuning in to watch me about my DIY coffee station. I hope you have an awesome day. Bye-bye.